Hi Tim, my name's Matthew, and I first want to thank you very much for all your help so far on the trusty Yellow Lotus Eclat. But I'm making this little documentary. I'm hoping you can help me. I'm at my wit's ends trying to get the thing started. Oh, by the way, what's on my head is just a little lamp to help me here. So it's now about plus 2 or 3 degrees outside, and I'm trying to start it without a choke. I have a very good spark, I have a new coil, and I have a new fuel pump. So I've got fuel, the plugs are soaking wet, I've put new plugs in, tried that as well, but still it won't start. So I'm just going to show you firstly what happens. It's as if there's no compression, but I've done a compression check before and that was okay. So just quickly, without any gas, and the battery's reasonably well charged. Okay, so you can hear it's firing on one cylinder, possibly one cylinder. I'm going to show you how good the spark is, and it now smells very heavily of fuel, so it's either flooded, but it's been standing for a good half an hour. I'm going to just show you a good spark first. We'll try that on number 2. To make this work, I'm going to probably turn the light off as well. Otherwise you won't be able. So typically the battery went flat, but I'm just going to show you that it's a pretty wet, certainly smells quite rich of fuel. So fuel is definitely getting into the spark plug. This is a different plug. I've tried the other ones, the original ones. Now the engine did run. That's a strange thing. I'm a bit at an end now as to what else it could be. So just to recap, getting fuel, the spark plugs, all the spark plugs are wet. A new coil, new fuel pump, and have a good spark. I need your help. If you have any ideas, Tom, I'd be very grateful. Sorry, Tim. If you have any ideas, Tim, I'd be very grateful. Maybe it's the electronic ignition module. No, because that's sparking. The cap is new, relatively new. I put it on when I bought the car. And the rotor arm as well. I'll show you that now. But if I've got a good spark, why would it be? I've just connected the battery booster, and I'm going to try quickly with some easy start. But now of course I have a problem with the camera. The batteries are flat, so I hate using this stuff, but you'll just get an idea of how it wants to try and start. Could it be the choke mechanism? So the camera holds out, so this is with no gas. And when I give it gas, it's like it loses. It's not running. It's not. I need help, Tim.